352 Jeeps. Today's video is not an installation video, but more of an explanation of why I had to go with longer shocks for the front of my Gladiator. So in the Moab, I was running a 4-inch Superlifts kit. It came with shocks and everything. When I get back here to Florida, I went ahead and put a Rusty's off-road kit on, which is also a 4-inch kit. Unfortunately, the shocks in the front were not long enough with the Rusty's kit, so I'm going to show you right now. So I'm hoping you can see this. So I really don't have any down travel with these Fox shocks. They're kind of extended all the way out. Again, Superlifts supplied this one with their 4-inch lift. So either Rusty's puts a 6-inch front on his 4-inch lift, or Superlifts doesn't use 2 inches of their tape measure. So these here are the new shocks that I got, the Fox 2.5s with a part number. Let's see if I can find that. Right there. So these things have 30.5-inch extension, which is required by Rusty's 4-inch lift for the front of the Gladiator. Of course, now that I'm going with those with the reservoir, I'm going to probably have to trim this inner fender. Now this inner fender here, just for anybody to know, I paid $28 for the set. I wasn't looking for anything expensive. I was on Amazon prior to going to Moab because I did the fender chop. And it was an open box item, $28. I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and try that out. Well, let me tell you, when it came in, not a scratch, all the hardware, not an issue. I'm like, you know what, I don't need to spend big money on an inner fender because it's just going to get muddy, dirty, you know, I mean, whatever, it's just going to get beat. My first thing will be obviously to remove my inner fenders for this installation. But again, it's not an install video. I'm just going to do this stuff and kind of give you a little idea what I do step by step, but not quite all of them. Alright, fender liner's down. I just jacked it up, put it on. Like I said, not an installation video. Whole lot nicer. All I need to do, mount this front and put the inner liner back in. Alright, so what I did here, I couldn't just use Fox's location because with the anti-rock from Rock Jock, I wanted to make sure that the cable, or the hose, wasn't going to hit. So I'm going to have to angle the reservoir for the hose to go up, not straight out. I don't want to hit. So anyway, little flex. So, alright, stay tuned to see how I mount it. So it's a day later. I got some rain yesterday, had to take care of the lawn because of the grass, but I had to make some spacers, 1-inch spacers, because of my moto-built front bumper, and I will go ahead and show you what I did, but it's all installed. I took it for a little ride around the block, and I gotta say, these 2.5s are amazing. So again, here they are installed. So you'll see I had to do the spacers here so that this would miss my front bumper. Here it is from the front. Again, same way on this side. Same spacers. Well, that's what I had to do. I definitely like these 2.5s. The look is amazing versus the 2.0s. But alright, well, I'm out. So give me a follow at 352 Jeeps with a Z, Instagram or TikTok, or right here. Give me hit the subscribe. That'd be great. Thanks.